Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Chatfuel for customer support in 2026. If you want to automatically answer customer questions and provide faster replies on Facebook or Instagram, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Chatfuel account. Next, select the chatbot that is connected to your Facebook page or Instagram account. Now go to the Flows or Automation section in the dashboard. Next, create a new support flow by clicking Create Flow or Add Automation. Now set up common customer support triggers like Help, Pricing, Order Status, or Contact Support. Next, add automated responses that clearly answer these questions in a friendly and simple way. Now include quick reply buttons or menu options so users can easily navigate to different support topics. Next, connect each option to detailed answers or support actions inside your chatbot flow. Now test your chatbot by sending sample messages to make sure it responds correctly. Finally, publish your chatbot and monitor conversations regularly so you can improve responses over time. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use Chatfuel for customer support. Your chatbot can now handle customer questions automatically and improve response time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.